Welcome to the 13th lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Instructions Level 1. Today, we will continue the translation setting. After feeder setup, click Translate to Knitting Machine Code in the Tools Detail panel. Here, we can see there are many customizable options available. We will go over the options one by one together. First, let's take a look at knot options. For the feeder out options, it controls all feeders except elastic yarn, ravel yarn, and PP yarn. We could choose from take away directly, tuck at edge, then take away, knit single jersey at edge, then take away, or knit full needle at edge, then take away. The knit with ravel yarn after cast on control, how feeders are brought in after cast on, adding tuck or single jersey at edge increases the stability for knitting. We could also set auto-knotting for feeders over a set distance between uses. This is particularly useful for striped styles. In this example, we set auto-knotting over 19 revolutions, thus only feeder 3 and 4 will perform auto-knotting. We could perform knotting with tuck, jersey, or full needle. When doing small stripes, apart from setting the maximum distance for knotting, we could also do auto-tucking every X revolution. This would minimize floats on the edges of the panel. When this option is selected, we could set the bind-off option for lock yarn in stripes. If we choose no special action for this option, there will be a short segment of floats of the yarn that was not involved in the bind-off. This option is to secure the long vertical float yarns, such as ravel yarn, to the panel edge, aiming to avoid any potential entanglement of the vertical floats in the machine's roller while knitting. When knit with ravel yarn after cast on and auto tuck for stripes are both set, we could check this option to avoid excess knotting. All newly fed yarns are locked with transfer before involving in the knitting actions, including the ravel yarn if it is brought in before its involvement in the ending part. If this option is checked and the ravel yarn is not brought in before the finishing part, the lock yarn action will follow the selected drop-down option. If both options marked in yellow is checked, then newly fed yarns will follow the option marked in blue. This options control the maximum number of stitch and rows of floats on empty needle before it is cast off. If do not lock yarn with transfer in body is unchecked, the newly fed yarns are locked with transfers only without tucks or knits. This options controls how feeders are brought in before knitting to lock yarn with transfer. We can either bring the feeders in X revolution earlier and lock with transfer, or we could just bring it to edge. We could also control how far the newly fed feeder is brought into the panel for locking. We could choose from 1 inch to 2.5 inches. Upon checking knit and half gauge, the system will convert regular full needle panels into half gauge panels while translating to machine codes with all the narrowing and bind-off codes converted automatically. This marks the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.